Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make any object move with keyframes in the CapCut mobile. So here I already add a background and I'm going to add the object that I want to move as overlay. So click on overlay and add overlay. Here I'm going to add this object right here. So to make it move, you can just add keyframes. So for example, I'm going to make it move spinning. You can just click on keyframe here at the start and at the end of the photo. Just find the transform option, click on rotate until it become like this. So now the object will move just like that. Okay, so that's how you can use keyframes to make any object moves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.